Community have had the opportunity to tear down this wall of hatred while simultaneously tearing down the barriers between people caused by inhumanity and intolerance. There are so many things that divide us as humans, such as language, skin color.
I wrote that. I loved it.
Count down.
I never did chords. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't play.
Now when you just put it up to the top of your head, not behind you, baby, because you can hurt somebody.
She's still here? Orange. It's orange with white right.
Watch out, little buddy.
I don't know where it would be. Be careful. Here, let's break it together, okay? We'll take a big one. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Awesome, high five.
That one said stupid on it.
It's not nice.
Wow.
Oh, somebody is gross.
Let's build another one.
Okay, boo.
Let's build another one. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, really? I wasn't.
Did it hit somebody? Oh, okay. Come on. Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Like 3 in a row that all said like Sinner on it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. You want to do another one? Ah, we got to do that one again.
Can I take a picture of me and my She's like,
We're going to break it. Okay? Ready? There you go.